which is the longest side. And so when you're looking at this, the rules involving the comparing measures in a triangle, and I tried to specify and emphasize that it's a distinct or unique triangle. And when you have two triangles that are kind of attached to each other, like in this example, you have to treat each triangle independently. And so if we fill in the missing angles, so we have triangle ABC. And so in triangle ABC, can we find what the missing angle B is? If we combine these, 58 plus 42 gives us 100. So that leaves us with 80 degrees here. And then what about this triangle BCD? What's the missing angle B in this case? Here we have 82 plus 22 is 104, so that leaves 76. So when we're looking at these triangles, let's look to eliminate all sides that will not be the largest or longest total. So let's start in the green triangle. And what sides can we eliminate that are not even the longest in the green triangle itself? The side opposite 22, can BD be the longest side total? No, it's not even the longest side in that individual triangle. What about CD? Once again, it's not opposite the largest angle of that triangle, so this can't even be the longest side of that green triangle. Now what about BC? Is BC the longest side in the green triangle? Yeah, so that's still in the running. We do have to consider that one. That might be the longest total side. Okay, so now let's look at the second triangle. You have to work with independent triangles. So in the second triangle, the ABC, what sides do we know cannot be the longest in that triangle? The side opposite 42 degrees can't be the longest. The side opposite 58 degrees can't be the longest. What about the side opposite 80 degrees? Yeah, that's the longest side of that triangle. So when you look overall, the only one that remains is the longest side out of all of them, which is side AC. Does everybody see how that works? Okay. This is one of the most commonly missed types of questions that are on the chapter test or the final for this, or involving this part of the material. And so be very, very careful on that.